Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to open YouTube in Chrome browser on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Chrome on the iPhone or iPad. And then you and I will enter YouTube in the search box. Now, when we open the YouTube tab, now we will be automatically redirected to the official YouTube application. So that we don't have to go to YouTube to be redirected to the app. And we've opened in the browser. We need to click on Open in New Tab. And it opens a new tab. We open the tab, and there you go. Now we're automatically taken to the mobile version of the computer. And here we were able to open YouTube Google Chrome. If you helped and liked this video clip, then you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you all who watched this video to the end. Goodbye.